Hi, welcome to my channel. I am Estella from At Home with Estella. Today we are going to make overnight French toast casserole. We'll begin by greasing our baking dish, zesting an orange, and you will need 10 eggs for this recipe, so make sure to have a big bowl where you're able to whisk all your ingredients together. And as you know, I make my bread, but for this recipe, I use French bread that I buy at my local grocery store. Cut the bread into 1-inch thick pieces. They don't have to be perfect, so don't worry about that. And now the hardest part, arranging the bread in the baking dish. Now let's work on the custard. Add a little bit of salt and whisk your eggs. Perfect. Add 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of orange zest, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And of course, a dash of nutmeg. And there you have it. Your custard is ready. Now whisk until everything is well combined. And I think this is a good opportunity to remind you to subscribe to my channel and that the recipe is in the description. Now, pour the mixture over the bread, ensuring every piece of bread is covered in custard. Take your time and just make sure to use up all this delicious custard. Yeah, and there you have it. Isn't it beautiful? And now this is my secret. I gently nudge the bread a little just to make sure it's slanted in the dish. And at this point, we're pretty much done. Now just make sure to cover your dish with foil paper. Make sure it's on tight. And into the refrigerator goes overnight. Well, good morning. In the morning, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Remove the baking dish from the refrigerator and let it stand at room temperature for 30 minutes. Place the baking dish in the oven and bake, uncovered until browned and the inside is set but soft, for 40 to 50 minutes. Honestly, I don't know why I'm always so excited when I see something that I've made come out of the oven and it looks great and delicious. And here's an overhead shot just for you so you can see how beautiful it is. And now I am ready to dig in. Actually, I shouldn't. This is a casserole that I made for my brother's graduation party. So I'm going to show what it looks like. And there it is, nice and steamy. This is the perfect recipe for a slow morning, actually, a slow Sunday morning. Well, I hope that you love this recipe as much as I do. If you make it, let me know in the comments. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.